Let's get an update on Team Pilipinas from TJ Manoto. TJ, kamusta ang ating mga players dyan after another tough loss?
Hi, Mark. Well, the players are okay. No? Medyo upbeat na sila this morning. Understandably, hapon medyo down pa yan dahil sa pagkatanggap ng masakit na talo na naman. No? Pero nakita ko si Jimmy Alapag, kayo na lang sa lobby ng hotel at tinanong ko siya kung kamusta sila. At sabi nga niya, everybody's okay, everybody's upbeat, and they're really looking forward to going out there and competing hard today to go for the win. Kasi gusto nga nila umuwi na may tao na panalo mula sa FIFA World Cup. And sabi nga niya, compared to some of the critics, siyempre, merong Simon Sangilas, meron sila mga kritiko. Yung ibang critics some of them expected na walang panalo at puro tambak ang mga laban ng Gilas dito sa World Cup. But if they go home with 3 close losses and 1 win, that just might actually be up expectations of a lot of people. It's just that siguro ako, sa pananaw ko, siguro naging spoiled na tayo lahat after ng first game. Yeah. Na nakita natin, muntik-muntik na natin talunin yung Croatia. So tuloy tumaas siguro expectation natin ng Gilas. But mukhang factor yun talaga yung inexperience na nabanggit ni Coach John at ni LA Tenorio kagabi.
TJ, just to expound on that yung point ni LA na experience, you were watching there live on the floor, especially nung endgame, nung fourth quarter. Very obvious ba talaga yung disparity sa experience between Puerto Rico and even Argentina versus the Philippine team?
Well, for me, nakita ko sa floor, kita mo yung difference sa mukha nila in terms of the confidence sa yung energy na meron sila ng first half kumpara doon sa fourth quarter kung saan nag-ahabol na sila. No? And siguro it might playing with their heads na naman na parang wow, ito na naman tayo, parang Argentina, parang Croatia, na fourth quarter, nag-ahabol tayo. And hindi sila sanay kung paano mag-operate at mag-execute in the clutch, no? Na sa ganitong stage. Of course, lahat ng player na to, veterano na sa PBA, marami na pinagdaan ng kiyera, nag-champion sa kanilang mga teams, sa iba mga liga nila, pero iba pa rin yung international stage, and that's what they're realizing and understanding firsthand of how different the world stage is compared to any other level of basketball.
At syempre, ang susunod na mga kalaban ng Gilas Pilipinas, TJ, ang Senegal. Ngayon, may umiikot na balita na hiniritan daw ang Gilas patron na si MVP na go home. May alam ka ba, TJ, tungkol sa insidenteng yon?
Well, nabalitaan ko yun, Antonio, at nangyari daw ata sa isang restaurant na malapit sa center ng Sevilla, parang sentro ang tawag dito. Eh, nagkataon lang na kumakain ata dun si MVP at ang kanyang grupo at dumating yung mga officials ng Senegal. And the only reason kung bakit nila na-recognize is Africans and may mga ID, no? So, saka, you could tell, no? Mga officials, so hindi naman sila players, so officials sila ng Senegal. Kinakamusta nila, kinakawayan nila, hello, Senegal. Pero nung unang bati ko sa kanila, although medyo patawa pa nung una, go home. Parang inaasal sila, go home Philippines. Parang gano'n. So hindi nila pinansin, after nila kumain, alis sila ng MVP at yung grupo, nagbababay na ulit sila, nagpapaalam sila sa Senegal officials at parang tinutuon na ata yung pangasal na go home Philippines. Parang gano'n. So medyo nagkaasaran na ng konti, nagkataasan ng boses, pero hanggang din na naman. Pero nakaka-surprise lang talaga, no? Sa ganong level, officials ng mga sports officials at basketball officials ng parehong bansa, may ganong klaseng rivalry na pala. No? So, it's a little bit surprising, but nonetheless, it's going to fuel the rivalry tonight. But ito scenario tonight, of course, Philippines must win. They want to go home with a win. Yeah. Senegal, they've already qualified for the next round, even though they are 2-2. Kasi kahit tumabla sila sa Puerto Rico at 2-3, sila pa rin nakaangat, no? Because they beat Puerto Rico. So, the question is, will Senegal go all out tonight, or will they rest, the NBA player in Dieng? Will they rest Fati? We don't know how they're going to approach the game later. But honestly, I think they're going to go out and play hard because they just lost to Argentina yesterday, big, and then it was like 81-42, parang gano'n, malaking tambak. Yeah. And then if they lose tonight, and then they go up against Spain the day after tomorrow, syempre you want to go against the top team in the other group with a morale-boosting victory. You don't want to go there with a loss.